Alright sa inyo, and nagbabalik na naman po tayo sa panibagong video na tinatawag na evade. So kung bago lang dito, hit the like button dyan and mag-subscribe na rin kayo kung bago ka lang dito. Let's get started to the evade. So guys, yung last ko na video na evade, eto guys, sa screen nyo. Yan. Ayan yung nilaro ko na evade last 2 months ago na yan. So we're gonna play evade and let's get started. Let's go guys. We're gonna play evade. Oh my goodness. Let's go play evade. Let's go play evade guys. Wait lang. I remember this sir. I remember this. I remember this map. Wait lang. 'Di ba ito rin din yung map dati na nilaro ko dati? No. Wag mo abulan. No. Bruh. No way. Wait lang guys. Wait lang. Ito rin yung same server eh. Same server din to eh. Wait lang guys. Same server din to guys nung yung last ko video. So wait lang guys. Next server tayo. Okay guys, next server tayo. So ayun pala yung map, yung last ko na video, yung last 2 months ago na nilaro ko tong evade. So ito na guys, next server to ha. Okay. Oh my goodness. Very smooth, diba? Very smooth game. Okay, so ito na nga and we're gonna survive. And wait lang. Baba ko lang yan. Okay, so ito na. And hindi ko lang nilagyan ng music or music background kasi maingay. Kasi hindi ako makafocus sa aking mic. Kaya medyo maingay. No. You cannot touch me. What? Kala ko sino yun? Hello. What the heck? What is that? Who is that? No. 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 Uh-oh. No. I don't know you. Stop following. No. Oh my god. Help guys, help. No. Dalawa sila. No. Okay, save. Oh my gosh guys. Muntik na yun ah. Muntik na tayo dun ah. Wait lang. Sige. Isa pa, wait lang. Asa na kayo? Habulin nyo ako dito. Habulin nyo ako dito. Oh my god. No. You cannot. No. Takbo. Okay guys. Oh my gulay. What the heck? Is that fake Mr. Beast? Yes, Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. Wait lang guys. Nga pala guys. Ano pala yan guys? Copyrighted. Sorry, copyrighted pala yun. Let's jump. We point. No. Nope. You cannot. Nope. Okay, let's go. We survive. Let's go. We are 3rd place guys. Oh my gulay. Wait lang guys. GG. Nga pala. So next round guys. Okay, next round na to. Round 2. Oh my gulay. Okay, next round. Okay, next round na to. Game. Next round. Okay. Survive for 3 minutes. Oh my gulay. Okay guys, so 3 minutes daw. So we need to survive 3 minutes. Under 3 minutes. No. No, no. Come here. Come here. I'm gonna save you, Bacon, because I love bacon, di ba? You know, I love bacons, di ba? You know, bacon fan, bacon gang. No. Help. No. Ba't niya hinahabol? Si ano? Homelander, please stop. Homelander, please stop following me. Okay. Aha. Oy. Takbo! No, wait lang. Ha? I saw dead body. Nasaan na yung dead body na yun? No! Let's go. I'm gonna save you. Let's go. 20 tokens. Let's go. Easy money. Oh my gulay. Wait guys, ano nga pala guys, wait lang. Para may nakita doon may nakita ko ng dead body doon sa dito eh. I saw dead body here. Dito, dyan. I saw something dead body. Kaso nga lang, na-disappeared siya. Diba? You know, disappeared agad. Oh magulay. No. Bacon, no. No. Come here. Bruh, seriously, bruh. No. Hello. I'm very sorry. Bro. I'm very sorry, bro. I'm very sorry. I cannot save you. I'm crying. I'm crying for tears. Oh my gulay. Somebody help me. Please help. Siya na naman guys, yung next bot na yun. Yes sir.
Yes.
GG. Sir pala, sir. Yes sir. Ano yes sir? Yes sir kasi yes sir. Oh my gulay, we survive. Finally. Oh my gulay. Finally. Okay, next round na to guys, next round. Okay. Please give me good. Survive to go. What? Oh no. Mahirap yan guys, mahirap. No way. You cannot be serious. Nope. A big nope. Sorry guys, nano ko yung facecam ko guys, okay? Nabuksan ko aking facecam, okay? I accidentally on my facecam, okay? Sorry. No. What the heck? Bruh! Are you serious, Hyro? What the heck? Oh my gula, I died. No. Next server. Okay. Next na tayo guys. Next server tayo guys. Okay. We are in the next server. So, okay, let's go. Let's go play now. Oh my gulay. Okay. Let's go. Open this. Let's go. What? Bruh. Bruh, are you serious? Hyro? Are you serious? Never give up, never what? Never get down. What? Are you serious? Oh my god. Who's wanted in my vid? Oh my gulay. Who's wanted in my video? Okay guys, subscribe na kayo kung bago ko lang yung dito. Subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Let's go! Yes sir! GG! Oh my gulay. GG! Yes sir! Yes, sir. I survive. Oh my gulay. Oh my gulay. I survive in that situation. Okay, guys. So, yun na nga. And, yeah. Welcome to Solar Dollar Cafe. Meron ba ditong, Kopi ko Blanca? Wala ba ditong Kopi ko Blanca? Pabili po ng Kopi ko Blanca. Ay, guys. Last round na to, guys. Okay, last round. Okay? Last round. Survive for 30 minutes. Ay, survive for 3 minutes. Okay, let's go. Tininin. Whee! Boing. Tininin. Speedrun. Tininin. No. Run for your life. Tininin. Oh my gulay. Hand of Gabriela. Let's go. Oh my gulay. No. Please help. Help. Thanks. I'ma shout out you. Let's go. Also, I'm recording. Let's go. Shout out dyan, guys, okay? Shout out sa player na yan, guys, okay? Thank you for helping me. Okay? Shout out sa player na yun, okay? Thank you for helping me. I really love your styles, okay? So, yun na nga. And thank you for watching, guys. Salamat sa pag-upload nyo. Yun lang sa video nito, guys, okay? So, shout out sa babae na yun, okay? Kung sino ka naman. Shout out sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Thank you. And yun lang, guys. Wait lang. Where's that girl? Thank you. And goodbye. See ya. Bye-bye. Please, me. Bye-bye. Subscribe.